So you finally finished everything for your new book. Wouldn't it be great to have an easy, quick, and effective way to get your book seen and then sold?
That's for me.
We thought so. Now see how Book2Look lets you put together a great marketing presentation for your book.
I'm ready.
Just visit your personal Book2Look page. Create a biblet, an interactive book sample to share with readers everywhere. You'll start by completing the metadata fields.
Metadata?
Oh, metadata. That's basic information. Title, author, publisher, date, stuff you already know. Describe your book. And create a Twitter link.
That was easy. What now?
Book2Look shows popular retailers. You can select the ones where your book is available for sale and provide a few basics.
Got it. No sweat.
Time to upload your book sample and cover. You can add files to both PDF and EPUB.
EPUB?
EPUB is the format that makes your book readable on smartphones and tablets. Now, got media?
I sure do.
Upload video and audio links to your biblet, like YouTube or other media sharing services. You can even add reviews or let Book2Look search and add them for you.
That's handy.
Almost done, only one thing left to do. Hit save and your biblet is complete. Now let the power of Book2Look help readers discover your book. It has to be seen to be sold. Take a closer look.